This is a final video to fix YouTube stuttering on Microsoft Edge. Are you tired of videos freezing or lagging while you watch your favorite content? This usually happens because Edge struggles with certain video settings or too many background processes running at once. Most solutions online are long, confusing, and full of steps that are hard to follow. But I found a secret easy trick that stops stuttering instantly and makes your videos play smoothly every time. If you want, I can show you a simple step-by-step tutorial that anyone can follow, no tech skills needed. Comment below if you want me to make that guide. Make sure to subscribe to Rex's for more easy fixes that actually work. Try this trick and enjoy smooth YouTube playback on Edge like never before.